All right, so the question is, are you tired of hearing me share all these successes that the Speciale Analysis Profit Pack continues to deliver its users? Guys, this is the S&P 500. I literally drew this out for you. I took the time because this should be as simple as humanly possible to comprehend. If you can't comprehend it, then don't call me. It's really just that simple. You simply wait for a new trend to change. You can notice that in the bottom left here. The profit band went from gold to blue. We plotted a little blue arrow. The software goes, ding dong. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Trader, you should be paying attention. We are looking for the first correction through the profit band for a potential buying opportunity. Well, lo and behold, circled in this yellow circle, identified with this green triangle, this big white arrow, so that nobody can miss it, regardless of how blind you might be, is the trigger candle. The trigger candle is a doji style candle that pulls through. It must penetrate. Some portion of the candle must penetrate the profit band. And what did it do right there? It penetrated it, okay? All it had to do was then close. Closes in the formation of this doji style candle, okay? Anybody can identify this candle. You see it over and over and over again. Here it is. Here it is, here it is, there it is in red, there it is in red, there it is in green. I mean, listen, these candles only form in a few little fashions, so it's pretty easy to say, hey, this is what I'm looking for. Well, that's it. It's identified right here for you. Plain and simple, black and white. From the close or the plot or the print, whatever the word you want to use, I don't care, of this particular trigger candle that penetrated the profit band. You simply enter the market at the close or the print of this candle. You place your stop one tick. That's it. One tick below the absolute low of said trigger candle. Okay, this is not rocket science. You don't have to think about it. It's not, do I go 2 candles back? Do I stick the stop up my mother's ass? And you don't have to think long and hard about it. You just place it in the same spot every single time, okay? It's really that simple. You just place it right there one tick below. That's it. If the trade fails, so what? There'll be another one. But if it works, you could have had the opportunity to take a $115 run on the S&P 500. That's 460 ticks in total. That is a total profit potential of $5,750 with just one single contract traded. Now, I say this all the time. Do I expect you to catch the whole piece or the entire move? Of course the fuck not. But if you had a couple contracts on and you were able to take a little profit here, maybe a little more profit here, and just left one contract on or a couple micro contracts on to just see how high they went. And you just kept moving your stop every time you retested the profit band. You put your stop here. And then you probably put your stop here. When it pulled through, guess what? You got stopped out. You still caught 2/3 to 3/4 of the entire move. Guys, this is fucking brainless. Seriously, just download the software, practice, okay? Prove to yourself before you risk $1 of your money that you can do this and that you fully understand how to do this. Worst case scenario, you come to the conclusion that this is not for you. Trust me, I can assure you that you have pissed away more money on useless things that you have thrown out over the years than what you would invest in this software and having the chance or the opportunity to literally financially change the landscape of your life. It's that simple. Do it, don't do it. I hate to say I don't care, Listen, I'm doing me, and you get to do you, and that's the beauty of individuality. We each get to make our own choices, but at the end of the day, we all get to sleep in our own beds. Now, maybe your bed's nicer than mine. Maybe mine's nicer than yours. Doesn't really matter to me. I like the way my bed feels because I've worked hard, made choices, made massive sacrifices, educated myself so that I'm now able to sleep extraordinarily comfortable in my paid-for house, in my paid-for bed, living my debt-free life. Maybe you can say that, and congratulations if you can. But if you can't, and you're going to whine and bitch and moan about it instead of do something, well, don't whine and bitch and moan to me because you're scratching up the wrong tree. So, hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video, guys, because there are more of these opportunities that I'm going to share with you. We got a massive gold trade going on right now that has not closed out yet. It just hasn't given up. So I can't wait to tell you about that. Just had a brand new trade trigger on the NASDAQ as well. And we have one underway also on crude oil that just got started a very short time ago. So you can expect to see those videos in the coming days or however long they take to transpire. So I can show you several $1,000 opportunities that you again decided by choice to miss out on.